Welcome back to Rolls-Royce Info. The all-new 2025 Shelby GT500 is the ultimate expression of American muscle, combining extreme performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. This machine is more than just a car, it's a statement of power, precision, and pure adrenaline. Under the hood lies a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out over 800 horsepower, making it the most powerful GT500 ever built. This beast is designed to dominate the streets and the track, with blistering acceleration, a top speed that challenges supercars, and a sound that announces its presence long before it arrives. Every element of the design serves a purpose. A newly sculpted aerodynamic body enhances both performance and aesthetics, with larger air intakes, a lightweight carbon fiber hood, and a massive rear wing that generates incredible downforce. The wider stance improves stability, while an aggressive front splitter ensures maximum airflow for cooling. The use of advanced materials like carbon fiber and aluminum makes this GT500 lighter and more responsive, allowing for sharper handling and better overall balance. Whether tearing up the drag strip or carving through tight corners, this car is engineered for precision and control. The performance upgrades extend beyond just raw power. A new adaptive suspension system intelligently adjusts to road conditions, ensuring optimal grip and stability in any driving situation. Massive Brembo brakes provide stopping power that matches the car's insane acceleration, while upgraded traction control and launch control systems help put every bit of horsepower to the pavement without hesitation. Whether it's on the track or the open road, the GT500 delivers a level of performance that sets a new standard for modern muscle cars. Step inside, and the cockpit blends race-inspired functionality with modern luxury. Recaro racing seats provide superior support, keeping the driver planted during aggressive driving. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time performance data, while the latest infotainment system seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity without distraction. Carbon fiber accents and premium leather elevate the interior, making it clear that this is a high-performance machine designed for enthusiasts who demand the best of both worlds. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. With multiple drive modes, including track and drag settings, the GT500 adapts to any challenge. The active exhaust system lets drivers choose between an aggressive roar or a more subdued tone for daily driving. Every detail, from the responsive steering to the lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, is fine-tuned for an unforgettable ride. This isn't just an evolution of the Shelby GT500A, it's a revolution. Ford and Shelby have pushed the limits to create a muscle car that competes with the world's best. The combination of raw power, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology makes this GT500 the most capable ever built. For those who crave speed, precision, and an unmistakable presence on the road, the 2025 Shelby GT500 is the ultimate machine. Thanks for watching.